In an effort to try and keep my truck a little bit more organized, I purchased one of these. It's a hard hat hook for the back seat of my truck, because as you can see, my hard hat's over there and my safety vest is there, and I have to have it when I go to job sites. So what I decided to do was try these hooks out, and I will show you. It comes in 3 pieces. These top pieces just screw on here. And the way I understand it is that these just clip on to the headrest poles. So I just got to raise that up and then we can hook it on. So there we go. It's raised up. And then it just fits in here like this. Hopefully the one I got is large enough. Okay, yeah, there. It just clips right on. And there we go. That one's clipped. I'm just trying to get that one. There we go. It's clipped in and it's solid. Holy shit, that's solid. That's cool. All right, so the hard hat, I can't believe how solid that is. That's pretty awesome. So it's got, actually it says 3 hooks. I don't know what you could hook on that one. I guess you could put the hard hat down there, but I'm going to hang it on the big hook. And then I'm going to, on the other big hook, I'm going to put my safety vest. That way it's not dragging all over the truck. So there you go. If you're looking for something to hang your hat on, literally, there you go. And like I said, it's pretty solid. So hopefully this helps you out if you're looking for one.